DIY furniture makeover are the great way to refresh old and thrifted pieces. Here are some ideas that you can use in your next project. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Find Inspiration. If you like my DIYs, please do consider subscribing. So let's start with the video. Here I have around 20 to 25 years old one furniture, and I have given a small makeover for this furniture long back. At that time I didn't had any ideas like how you can transform a old furniture into a new, and so you can see how I have done the work before, and now I am just removing all the wallpaper which I have stick to this, and now I really feel that it needs a makeover. So here I am peeling all the wallpaper, and these are the wallpapers from my old projects, and you won't believe the adhesive is really good, and you can see how I am trying to remove this. And this is the original look of this table. First let's clean this and then start painting. And I have painted this long back, and the finishing was not good. So let's paint and give a neat finish to this. I am using white enamel paint which I have purchased from a local hardware shop, and long back I have given a coat of wood primer before applying this enamel paint. So here I am directly applying this white enamel paint. Instead of enamel paint, you can choose spray paint or chalk paint, whichever paint you prefer. Usually this enamel paint, it will take around 24 hours to get dry. So I have waited for one day and then only I started the next procedure. And now our table is ready and it's completely dry. Here I am using this beautiful geometric print wallpaper. Actually I am obsessed with this print, as I have seen people using this print wallpaper on their furniture and giving a beautiful makeover for them. So here I am using the same wallpaper, and I have cut this according to the measurement of this table, and just you have to peel the sticker and apply it. You are done. And as you can see how the table has turned out after applying this wallpaper. If you want to purchase, I'll give the link of this wallpaper in the description. You can check there. Now still some more work are pending. So here there is a beading which I am going to color it with the golden metallic color. Actually it is a golden acrylic color which I have purchased from a hardware shop, and it's going to give a bright golden look for this object wherever you are going to apply it. And you can see there is space underneath this table. To utilize this space, here I am using this cake base. It is not according to the size of this table, so I have taken one more MDF board and I'll just stick the same wallpaper and just place it underneath this table. So you can place any basket or any plant or anything underneath this so that you can decorate this table. To avoid the slipping of this MDF board, you can stick this MDF board to the table itself. To stick this, you can use some glue or you can use small nails to fix it. Here comes the final look of our table. You can see how it has turned out into a beautiful table, which you can use in multi-purpose way, like to decorate your hall or the living room or the bedroom, or even you can use it as a bedside table. So I am placing it in a small empty space of my living room, and underneath I am keeping one basket, and above this I'll just place some decorative items and some plants. Friends, for this makeover I have spent only 300 rupees. That's for the paint and the wallpaper. I hope this makeover idea is very helpful for you. If you like this video, click the like button and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I keep on trying to bring many more DIYs for you people. Okay friends, that's it for today. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. See you soon with one more interesting DIY video. Till then, take care and bye.